Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert special characters like symbols, emojis in Google Docs. So for you to insert some special characters in Google Docs, here I can get it done. So just move straight down to the tools bar, then click on insert, then move your drag your cursor to an option called special characters, then click on it. Okay, let's do it again. Special characters. Okay, let's use it. These are few characters that we have. You can see the categories of characters. We have symbols, pivot symbols. These are some of symbols, emojis, punctuations, numbers, formats, and white space, Latin. And also, just depends on you, the kind of characters you want. If you want arrows, just click. Then you have arrows, you have the currency, you have the mat. Let's click on the mat. You can see these are a few characters. And if there's particular characters that you want, but it seems you can't figure the exact place it is, and you have about thousands and hundred thousands of characters, just come down here and use this part. So just draw that kind of character you want. So let's say I want a linear character. Just draw it like this, and like it double streak. And you can see you have something like this. See, this can also use as linear character. Then click on it. Then go back to document. You can see it's down here. Just input your figure 1,000. You can see, and that's it. Find this video helpful, like and follow more.